A new Wartburg musical group is making a joyful noise.
The Wartburg Gospel Choir is bringing a new style of music to the college landscape. The new musical group was formed by someone looking to create something unique that students from any background could enjoy.
So gospel music, but music in general has always been a part, and so I thought it would be great to bring that back here because it's just another one of my passions that I want to share with everyone I meet.
The first gospel choir rehearsal showed a slightly different musical experience. There was no sheet music, no stands, or piano player. Instead, it was just students singing and having fun, what Yankunda was aiming for. Music was taught by rote, the singers listening to a verse being sung, then repeating it and layering different parts over one another, until finally, a complete song was ringing through the halls of the Wartburg Chapel.
It is all about joy. It's all about feeling it. Something that I said during the rehearsals is, your typical ensembles are great. They're phenomenal. They teach you so many things about being a musician. I think what's fun about gospel choir is you kind of get to leave the rules, some of the parameters that you need to follow in kind of the Lutheran tradition, and you just kind of get to be a lot freer with your sound, freer with your vowels, with your whatever it may be. Maybe it's freer with your body. I've seen people dance during this type of music.
Yankunda is looking to continue growing the organization. However, she's encouraged by others' positive experience they had at the first rehearsal. For Night Vision News, I'm Nathan Stephanie.